Okay, so for our BiteWise app design, here are all of the key screens, and right when I open the prototype, it's going to show the loading screen, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is our loading screen, and then it opens up and it fades to the home page once the loading has actually completed. And you obviously get a welcome message with your username. There's a profile icon. So for the homepage, we have a regular scroll to show the different categories, including trending dishes, 30-minute meals, and seasonal favorites. And as you can see, each of these available recipes have a favorite option to add to the cookbook, which will be available at the top of the home screen as well as its own page. And each of the buttons also have a hover state as well. So I'm going to start off in categories. So we have them sorted by cuisine. So you click on like Italian, for example. We also have a sort by drop down, which shows time, popularity, and relevance. And it gives you some recipes, again with the highlighting and the heart feature. So we keep this little arrow in the corner. It always takes you back to the home page, or you could just navigate there directly through the button. I'm then gonna go to the search page. So we do have a GIF right here to show somebody cooking, just to have a little motion element. And then right here we have a camera icon. If you click that, it takes you to the camera where you would be able to take a picture of ingredients on your counter, for example, like this, and it would detect ingredients. Now, if it gets something incorrect, or if it includes something like in the background, you can deselect it or reselect it. And then we have these two buttons. Once you have the ingredients detected, you can either find a recipe that's already on the website, on the app, or you can create your own. So I'm going to go through the Find Recipes page first. You can favorite them, you can click on them. You can also create your own recipe where AI will generate a recipe based on the ingredients. And again, you can favorite it, you can not favorite it. These ingredients are not adjustable, as like there's no click option there because it is what the recipe gave you. If you didn't want that, you could just go back. And then it gives you the instructions for the actual recipe. On the cookbook page, you have, if you click the arrow, it'll take you back to the search page where you can start either based on the camera icon or just searching in general. And then it shows your saved recipes. And then finally the profile, which again you could access through just the button in the corner, or you can go to the actual menu icon itself. There's an edit button. It may be hard to see, but when you hover over it, it turns a darker shade to show that you can click it and edit, but it gives you the information of the profile that you put in, the icon, which again could be edited later, and then the dietary preferences, including allergens and restrictions that you could select yourself. And then these are app permissions, which we put toggle buttons in for, so you can toggle those on or off.